guys, so today's unboxing video, I'm gonna be unboxing Park Jihoon's second generation membership kit. And yeah, so I haven't done a talking video in like the longest time, so excuse me if I sound really awkward right now. So let's just get right into it. And like, I realized something, that is, this kit is so much smaller and lighter than the previous one. So yeah. But I really like the concept of this one because like the first one was a hotel concept and this one is a flower shop concept. So this is how the kit looks like and the card is right here. It's really pretty though. Oh my gosh, it looks like a credit card. Okay, so let's open it. I'm really excited to try out the scratch card because they have this special scratch card thing inside. Okay, oh my god, I'm kind of sad because I have to cut the sticker, so I'm gonna do it off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so I did it as carefully as I can and I still somehow managed to like kind of ruin it. Okay, it's okay. Let's just open it. Whoa, it's really pretty. Oh my god. Okay, there's this. I have no idea what's this. What's this? Oh, it's the contents of the box. Okay, and then we have like a brochure looking photo book. Really cute. Oh my god. Okay, there's a message behind. And here's the photo book. And all the photos are so cute. He looks so good. I love this photo. Okay, we'll look through that later. We have the scratch card, stickers, and oh my gosh, yes! I got the pink flower! Yay! Okay, and then we have the soap. And the magnet just stuck to the box, but yeah. Okay, so this is the letter that's on the little brochure thing, and that's it in the photo book. Oh my gosh, it's very cute. It looks so good. Look. But like, it's like paper and I'm so scared that I'm gonna spoil it. So that ready. Okay, so let's just jump right into the scratch card thing. Okay, before I jump into the scratch card thing, let's just say the scratch cards are the photo cards as well, and I really just want the full photo though. Yeah, I hope they'll release it soon, but let's go scratch these. So I scratched the photo cards already, but when you get like 3 roses, you're supposed to get a special gift, but I didn't get any, so that's fine. I'm gonna just show you guys an overview of the entire kit now, and yeah. So here's an overview of the kit, and yeah, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching guys, bye!